cabin cleaning day. All the cabins are open, all the way down. Everyone loves to come sit at that bar. I want to see it go down. Down, 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 down to there. But they won't do it today while they're in port. Well, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Here we are parked next to this monstrosity next to us that woke us up. I don't know if you can see the lights.
It's very pretty. The lights are on their bar. That's an elevator. It goes up and down the side of the ship. It's really cool.
Yeah, I just showed that to you. And the lights are so bright. Look up there.
Right.
In the video, you can't really tell, but they're very bright LED lights that were shining right
And they
in our
change
windows.
colors. They'll go from red to blue. It's really pretty, especially at night.
Yeah, so I'm filing a complaint. I'll send it over to their ship and say, turn the lights off.
He's going to complain.
Daytime.
What?
Woke us up.
I can't believe he's going to
6
complain.
o'clock this morning. Oh, boy. All right, anyway, so we're going to get off. We're going to probably walk around the port. We're going to go to Mayho Beach, but we've done it. We brought it to you. And I'm going to smack her and throw her right off. And when she hits, it's going to be concrete.
He's not going to do it.
Yeah. All right. So anyway, we got to get out of here. We got a Bravo. We got a fire on board
We
somewhere.
had kilo, too.
And then we had a kilo,
Kilo
which means
too.
all of them to go there. And it's not a drill. It's a real fire somewhere.
There's a fire down
on
in the
deck one.
We think it's in the laundry room.
Yeah, we think it's in the line.
Mysterious.
All right, so we'll see. If not, we're going to sink right here at the dock.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye. events.
What?
We're not going to dinner.
We're not?
Nope.
Well, I'm not hungry
We're
anymore,
gonna go.
really.
Yeah, we're really not hungry. We're gonna go to the buffet.
We're going to buffet
instead.
because we want to make certain shows tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna make The Price is Right and comedy.
Yes, so we're
So-
going to go to dinner at the Windhammer.
And to be honest with you, the menu.
It wasn't good tonight anyway. It's not our favorite.
Nah.
But we're going to meet for dinner in the Windhammer. We'll let you know how the night goes.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. Almost ran into a lady. All right, so my wife wanted to know if anybody knew what these things were.
Cut up like that.
This was, that was, and this was. Put it in the comments below. What are they?
Get that one up close.
Oh, and this one up close.
That, I'll tell you what that is. That's star fruit. Now pay attention. This little fruit that we got off the salad bar, now my friend Jackie knew what it was.
That's Jackie.
That's Jackie, see?
Say hi, Jackie.
Hi. See, you're peeling it open. She showed me how to peel it open. You peel it open, then you eat it. And
Well,
never
go
had
ahead,
this
baby.
before.
Pull it right out of the shell.
You
And there's
pull
a
it out.
seed in the middle. See?
Don't eat the seed.
Don't eat the seed.
And don't swallow the seed.
And then you can tell us what they're called.
Yeah. Now I have
And another
one to show
thing
you.
is, I can assure you I'm not eating one.
These are pretty good.
All right. So does anybody know what this is? It's kind of,
Very pretty.
it looks like a
Very pretty.
circus. And it's called, put it in the comments below.
It's good.
What do you think, babe?
It's good. It's got these little things are like little chips, like little bugs or chips.
Little bugs?
Yeah, it's
good
different.
man. Definitely not eating that.
Okay. Now, see if they know what this is.
I know what it is.
You know what this is?
Just by the shape of it.
It's a real fruit. Now, let me see what it tastes like. It's really different. It tastes like cabbage.
Well, you're kind of different,
It tastes like cabbage.
but it's a fruit.
It's a fruit, but you don't know the name of it.
I do.
All right, don't tell them.
All right. All right, babe, where are we going?
We're not going. We're here. We're at the Price is Right, and they're all buying so they can play and win the new car. Look
Yeah,
at
we're
it.
gonna win a new
It's
car.
a Mini Cooper.
Yeah, and the last time, remember when we were on the Utopia, the computer crashed.
So this time he's gonna do it.
I'm gonna win it today. You're gonna win me a what, babe?
New car.
My car.
Well, what you know, we're on stage. Everyone has
There I am. That's me. I'm playing. All right, babe, where are we going?
There's Jackie and Mike. Hey. We're not going. We're already here, Mike.
See that guy right there?
Mike. You're at the comedy club. Stop.
That guy right there, man.
We're at the comedy club. Hopefully it's a good one.
There he goes.
It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be fun. Yes. Look at
Dork.
Hey, what do you say?
Hello, we're back in the casino.
Shocker.
We went to 2 shows. We went to The Price is Right, and then we went to the comedy, and the comedy was great. I loved it. 3 different guys, and they were all funny as crap. They were hilarious.
3 comedians.
Yes, they were funny. So we liked that. Now we're back in the casino playing this game, Count Wonderful.
All right, so I'll show you what we're playing.
Yeah,
Just sitting at the bar, we're playing this. We've been playing this for hours on a $20 bill. Hours we've been playing. So anyway,
it's almost not that time. I'm gonna wait until he wins a little bit.
not true.
What?
Past her bedtime.
That's why I'm barely awake. But we're sitting down here having fun. It's been a really good day, and tomorrow's going to be better.
Yep. Tomorrow's a sea day, and the following day is a sea day. 2 days back.
That's right. And I have to see if my Cowboys win.
1,150 miles away from home. So, all right. So anyway, we will see you in the morning.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if my Cowboys won.
Yep. And if I win something big here, I'll let you know.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
Although,
We'll be back.
a little while ago, I did get a royal flush. But I was betting a quarter per hand, 3 hands, and it had a deuce because I was playing Deuces Wild. So it wasn't as bad. Now Michael, he keeps winning every night. Last night, 1,000. The night before, 1,300. Playing like $2.40. I can't win nothing. But anyway, all right. Yep. All right. So we'll see you in the morning. Good night, Prime Girl.
And guess
Oh,
what?
and by the way,
Finish our
you thought we didn't get one, didn't you?
We're gonna finish our chocolate.
Marky.
Martini.
See you in the morning.
Bye.